Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about question forms. We ask questions to someone to get a piece of information. So there are many forms of questions. What, where, when, which, why, who, whom, whose. These are known as WH questions because they begin with WH, so they are known as WH questions. The first one is what? What's your name? What are you doing? What are you reading? What are you eating? What is you doing there? What did you do this morning? What did you learn? What is your program? So there are many questions with WHAT, what. These of course have answers. What are you doing? I am studying, I am learning, I am writing, I am reading something. Okay. The next is where. WHERE, where. Where are you going? Where is your school? Where is your father? Where is your mother? Where is the nearest post office here? Where does this bus go? Of course, for all these questions there are answers. Next is when. When do you go to bed? When do you get up in the morning? When do you go to school? When does your father go to office? So these questions have answers. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10. When do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6 in the morning or 5:30 in the morning, whatever may be the time you get up. The next is which. WHICH, which. Which is your favorite color? Which is your classroom? Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Which is your bag? Which do you like the best? So we ask these questions to identify a particular item, which. Then next comes WHY, why. Why are you crying? Why do you come late? Why didn't you bring your book? Why are they talking there? Why are you sad? Why are you talking in the class when the class is going? So we ask questions why. Next comes who. WHO, who. WHO, who. Who is standing at the gate? Who is the leader of the class? Who is the principal of the school? Who is the principal of the college? Who broke the glass? Who is wasting the food in the class? There are some pieces of food items there in the class. So who is doing all these things? Who? Now, then comes whom. W-H-O-M. Whom. Whom do you want to see? I want to see the principal. Whom did you invite for the program? Yes, I have invited some of my close friends. Whom did you select as the monitor of the class? Who is the leader of the class? So when asked such questions, we get the particular name of somebody. W-H-O-M. Whom. Then comes whose. Whose pen is this? Whose bag is this? Whose car is that? Whose house is that? Whose books are these? Whose? Something belongs to somebody. Whose? So these are known as WH questions. The next is coming. So here we have nearly 8 WH questions. The next is how many, how much, how far, how long, and how often. How? How do you go to school? How did you come? How did you do that problem? How did you solve that problem? So we have answers for all these questions. How? Then how many? How many is used when we have something countable? How many? How many coconuts do you want? How many books have you? How many students are there in the class? How many cars are there in the garage? So how many? We countable. But when we ask how much, that is uncountable. We can't count it. How much rice you want, how much oil you want. So how much water is there in the tank? So how many countable, how much uncountable. Now next is how far. How far is the railway station from here? How far is your school from your house? How far is the nearest aerodrome from your house? How far is the market? So how far? How far did you walk? Then comes how long. How long? That represents time. How long? How long did you wait for me? I waited nearly half an hour for you. How long have you been waiting for me? I have been waiting for you nearly for the last half an hour. How long? How long is the movie? The movie is about 2.5 hours. So how long represents time. Then comes how often. How often do you visit your uncle? How often do you go to the beach? How often do you go to the market? How often do you visit your uncle? I visit my uncle once in 2 weeks. How often do you go to market? I go to market once a week. How often do you go to market? I go to market every alternate day. So how often shows the frequency of some action. So remember this. I wind up with these question forms: what, where, when, which, why, who, whom, whose, how many, how much, how far, how long, and how often. Thank you very much for listening. Please be free to correct as well as to appreciate or for give some suggestions. Thank you very much.